The second option is our newest product, which is Max Protect. Very trending din tong product na to kasi it's a base plan na life insurance lang. Kung gusto mo life insurance lang, ito yung product for you. And then pwede mong lagyan ng kung ano-anong rider, napakaraming rider options. So ipapakita ko sa inyo yung lalagyan natin ng health rider, which is the 10 major illnesses and then the hospital income benefit rider in case of hospitalization and confinement. So si Max Protect, ang critical illness niya, it only covers you up to age 75. Not bad na rin. No, kasi usually at younger age pa nga tayo nagkakaroon niyan. So up to age 75, tapos 10 major illnesses lang. Alright? So papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga 10 major illnesses later. Tignan muna natin kung magkano siya. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung cheapest option, we just pay up to age 65. So hindi siya 20 years to pay up to age 65 siya. So kung age 38 female, yung example natin, 27 years magbabayad. Alright? And then ang mga coverage niya, 1 million life insurance. Hiwalay yun. Nakahiwalay yung 1 million life insurance doon sa total and permanent disability na 500,000, personal accident insurance na 500,000, and then the critical illness insurance, 500,000. Nakahiwalay siya. Additional benefit siya compared to the AIA Critical Protect na either or lang siya, whichever comes first. Dito, pag nagkaroon ng critical illness, makakuha ng 500,000 dun sa covered illnesses. And then, in case of death, additional 1 million. Yun yung advantage niya. Tapos, may hospital income benefit siya na 2,000 pesos per night of confinement. Kunyari, na-confine ng 5 days due to, kahit hindi critical illness, kunyari, dengue. Alright, kung 5 days times 2,000, edi 10,000 makaka-claim ka. Living benefit siya habang buhay pa. All in all, 31,853.82 lang siya per year. No, 27 years to pay or pay up to age 65. So it varies. Longer siya kapag mas bata ka, tapos pay up to age 65 ang pinili mo. Longer yung paying period mo, pero syempre mas mura. Alright? So ito yung mga critical illnesses na covered sa Max Protect. 10 major illnesses. Cancer, coma, end-stage lung disease, heart attack, HIV due to blood transfusion or occupationally acquired HIV, kidney failure, liver cirrhosis, stroke, terminal illness, and then vital organ transplant. So yung 10 na yan, major illnesses na rin naman yan. And majority of the illnesses dyan ang gagaling. So if gusto mong kahit konti lang yung illnesses, basta mas maraming coverage, then you can go for Max Protect. I also want to read the notes on critical illnesses, no, na sa lahat ito, no, for everything that I discussed, all the products, right? No, merong 90 days waiting period. Hindi yung pagkakuha mo ngayon, next month magkaroon ng critical illness. Hindi pa yun covered. Dapat 90 days after approval. And then may 14 days na survival period. No? So, magiging considered na critical illness claim kapag nagkaroon ng critical illness na diagnose and then nag-survive ng 14 days. Kung namatay ka agad, death benefit lang. Yung kunyari, after 1 day lang, in a heart attack, tapos namatay ka agad, 1 day, hindi na siya critical illness claim, it's only a death claim. Meron ka pa rin death claim. Alright, so for this one, may 14 days survival period and then may 90 days na waiting period, no, para elimination period, just to make sure na wala kang sakit nung kumuha ka. Kasi maybe even if you don't declare at hindi nakita, protection yan ng company. Alright, for the hospital income benefit that I also discussed here, no, it's subject to 30 days waiting period. So meaning, hindi pwedeng kumuha ka ngayon, nag-hospitalize ka bukas, maka-claim mo na kaagad yung 2,000 per night. So after 30 days, on the 31st day, hindi naman na siguro pinaplano yon, so protection lang din ng company. Alright, by that time, covered na for every day of confinement. So si Max Protect, meron siyang 5 pay, may 10 pay, and pay up to age 65. So papakita ko sa inyo yung 10 years to pay. For the same 38-year-old female, with all the benefits and same benefits I discussed earlier, it's only 72,327.22. For 10 years, that's only 723,000. Ang coverage mo, may 1 million ka na life insurance, may 500,000 ka na total and permanent disability, 500,000 na personal accident insurance, and then 500,000 na critical illness. So 2.5 million yung total coverage. Bukod pa dun sa hospital income benefit, which is covering you for 365 days per year. So every day talaga siya, alright, to cover your illness. So per confinement siya, 72,000 lang siya.
Hello everyone, this